Hello learners, welcome back to our channel ATS Chemistry Classes. Today we are going to discuss about the preparation strategy for JAM examination. I am going to tell you about what is JAM, why JAM, and what is the eligibility criteria, where to start, what is the preparation strategy, JAM syllabus for chemistry major students, and what are all the important topics and reference books to crack the JAM examination. Okay, so why JAM? What is JAM? It is IIT Joint Admission Test for Masters. So it is to get admission in IAC, IITs, ICERs, NITs for your masters. It is for the students those have chosen science as their career. Normally, engineering students prefer IITs and NITs. JAM is the national level entrance exam conducted for admission to MSc, MSc Tech, MS Research and other dual degrees including integrated PhD at IAC, IITs, ICERs and NITs. So there are so many prestigious Indian institutes. There you can join for your masters. In order to join there, you need to clear JAM examination. IITs, IIT Indian Institute of Technology, are the network of engineering and technology institutions in India. Till 2008, there were 7 IITs: IIT Kharagpur, Bombay, Kanpur, Madras, Delhi, Guwahati, and Roorkee. Later on, 8 new IITs were established, and then 6 more. Like that, there are now 23 IITs. One can enter into IIT for bachelor's. This is for engineering students by clearing JEE exam. For master degree, they need to clear GATE examination. Although this is mainly for engineering students, the science students can enter into IIT by clearing the JAM examination for doing their masters. Other than IITs, using JAM score, they can also apply ICERs, Indian Institute of Science Education and Research. These are the institutions established by Government of India for teaching and research in natural science. These institutes are also very good for students to get dual degree as they offer many integrated courses in basic sciences with the research even at undergraduate level. They are established to promote basic sciences. Right now there are 7 ICERs, new more are yet to come. Although ICERs are also conducting their own entrance examination, they also consider JAM score for admitting master students. In addition to this, we also have 31 NITs. Almost all states in India have one NIT. Using JAM score, one can get admission at NITs also. In addition to these institutes, IIC also considers JAM score for admitting students for integrated PhD program. The advantage of joining IIC is exposure and also the fellowship. Students will be provided fellowship even while doing their masters if they register for integrated PhD program. Some of the institutes like NISA Bhubaneswar, they also provide scholarship for students, those who are doing their masters. They will be admitted using their JAM score. Getting good score with excellent ranking is very important. Why? Because it is essential to get admission in IIT or IIC where you will be exposed more. Very few NITs are good. Rather, you can also prefer joining other universities like University of Hyderabad or other central universities for your masters. So if you want to get admission in your preferred IITs or ICERs, it is essential to get good JAM score. At least you should have 60 plus marks. Although the regular cutoff is something around 28 or 30, so qualifying JAM with minimum score is not at all useful. You can just say that I am JAM qualified. So if you are preparing for JAM examination and if you don't know where to start, here are the tips to follow. So the first thing is that you need to look at the syllabus. So I have given the syllabus here. If you look at the syllabus, it looks a vast syllabus. So what are the topics need to be covered? That also you need to know. You need to concentrate on organic, inorganic and physical chemistry. So now if you are in third year of your bachelor's, you are now eligible to write forthcoming JAM examination. As you learn few concepts in your first and second year of your bachelor's, that will be help you to prepare well for your JAM examination. So otherwise you can also start your 11th and 12th standard chemistry books and spend time and learn basics first. Then start preparing for JAM syllabus. So learning the basics like mole concepts, periodic properties, periodic table, and then about carbon and its compounds. What is given in your 11th and 12th standard book, that you read first. That will give you the confidence and hope to learn more and more. So don't skip anything by thinking that it is unimportant in your 11th and 12th standard books. The concepts which you read during your 11th and 12th standard will now look a little more understandable as you have started reading chemistry in your first and second years of your bachelor's. So start from basics. So if you look at the syllabus, it will look vast. So you have to concentrate on very important topics. I would say whatever you learn in your bachelor's, that would be sufficient to clear if you learn them with full dedication. So there are students who clear JAM examination with very good ranking without any special coaching. So you need to make a schedule and start reading by yourself. Understand the concepts well and try working out previous year question papers. Then that will be enough to crack examination. If you have regular practice of reading with complete dedication, surely that will do to crack JAM. So after looking at the syllabus, you start from inorganic chemistry, in that chemical bonding first. So you can expect 2 to 3 questions from chemical bonding. Then coordination chemistry. It's a vast area and very important portion. You can surely expect 8 to 10 marks from this part. Then go to organometallics. That is also an important topic. Then you also read bioinorganic chemistry, solid state chemistry. Then go to organic chemistry. So here GOC. So concentrate on electron displacement effect. So that is inductive effect, resonance effect, hyperconjugation effect and all. Also learn about reactive intermediates, carbocation, carbanion, free radicals, carbenes and nitrines. Then you learn aromaticity. Then reaction mechanism. So nucleophilic, electrophilic, substitution and elimination reactions and all. Almost you can expect 12 marks in it. So like combination of it with naming reaction. So learn the naming reactions given in the JAM syllabus. Questions will be asked like combining a naming reaction with the reagents, etc. Learn about stereochemistry. So you can expect 8 marks in stereochemistry. So that is like assigning RS notation, EZ notation, and then conformation of acyclic and cyclic systems. Also concentrate on the stability of substituted cyclohexanes in stereochemistry. Then natural products. So you can expect questions in alkaloids and terpenoids, and also in bioorganic chemistry learn about carbohydrates, amino acids, peptides, proteins. In heterocyclic compounds learn about their aromaticity and its reaction mechanism, like how it will undergo electrophilic substitution reaction, the position in which it will happen, etc. Then go to physical chemistry. So in physical chemistry, you start from thermodynamics. You can expect 8 marks from thermochemistry. Then chemical kinetics. You will get here also 2 to 3 questions. So it's also a vast area. Then concentrate on electrochemistry. Then move on to molecular spectroscopy. Questions will be asked from rotational spectroscopy. So know about rotational constant, moment of inertia, line spacing, bond length and energy calculation in it. Then move on to higher spectroscopy. So you can expect 8 marks in molecular spectroscopy, and also look at the syllabus and learn whatever you feel comfortable. So whatever I listed here are very important topics. So they are high weightage topics. So you learn all of them and surely you can get 60 plus marks if you are familiar with all these topics. So 60 plus marks is very important to get good ranking. So these are all very important topics. Try to complete the syllabus as early as possible, then start revising it. Revision is very important. Read and revise again and again and solve previous year question papers and do some mock tests. Try learning the concepts in standard books. For inorganic chemistry, you can refer Concise in Inorganic Chemistry by J.D. Lee. For organic chemistry, you can refer Morrison and Boyd. For physical chemistry, Puri Sharma Patania. Learn the concepts in standard books so that it will be easy for you to crack exam examination with excellent scoring and ranking, which will be helpful to get admission at IISc and IITs. So all the best students, happy learning.